Hi there, we are excited to introduce Operately version 1.1. This release brings a completely redesigned project page, comprehensive task management, and Alfred, an AI executive coach. We have also added SMTP email delivery for self-hosted installations and improved file sorting capabilities. Let's dive in. First, let's explore the completely redesigned project page. The new project page brings together all project details, descriptions, milestones, tasks, contributors, discussions, and activity into a single unified interface. You can easily view the project status, monitor progress on milestones, and access all related conversations without switching between different screens. The new layout makes it easier to understand the project scope, identify what needs attention, and who's responsible for each aspect of the work. Everything you need to manage your projects is now organized into a clean, intuitive interface. Next, let's look at the task management system. All projects now include a dedicated tab for tasks, where you can break down your projects into specific actionable tasks and track their completion. You can create and organize tasks within projects, assign them to team members with clear ownership, set due dates, priorities for better planning, and track task status for creation to completion. This bridges the gap between high-level project planning and day-to-day execution. While projects define what you are building and why, tasks define the specific steps you need to get there. Team members can now see exactly what they need to work on and when, making project execution more predictable and organized. Finally, let me introduce you to Alfred, your company's AI executive coach, available in beta. Alfred reviews your goals and projects, spots gaps, and provides clear, actionable feedback that helps you instill the operational discipline many startups lack. Alfred analyzes your work structure and provides insight on goal alignment and clarity across teams. This AI coach helps leadership teams make better decisions by surfacing insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. Since Alfred is still in beta, we are actively gathering feedback to refine its capabilities and ensure it delivers meaningful value to teams of every size. That's a wrap on Operately version 1.1. This release continues our momentum from version 1, adding powerful new capabilities that make project execution more effective and strategic planning more intelligent. Operately remains open source and available under the Apache 2.0 license. Here are some ways how you can help shape the future of Operately. Start the repository on GitHub to show your support, join our Discord server to connect with the team members, contribute by submitting bug reports, feature requests, or code on GitHub, and share Operately with your network to help us grow. Thank you everyone who continues to contribute feedback, bug reports, feature requests, and code. Your contributions make Operately better for everyone. We hope you enjoy using Operately as much as we enjoy building it.